welcome to the another video where we are going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the next trading session, and also we are going to analyze in detail about this both of the indices of Bank Nifty and Nifty about a particular view for the next week, because we have mentioned 21st September as an important date as a time cycle, and we may face some kind of trend change possibilities in our Indian stock markets, and the date is very nearer, and next Monday is the 21st September. So we expecting a very good and sharp move, and we also expecting a very much high volatility in our markets for next weeks. So that's why we are going to discuss in detail about both of the indices. So let's check the charts. So let me share my screen with you. So this is the chart. You can see this is the daily time frame of Bank Nifty index, and we are going to analyze first that. And before that, I'm going to show you a very interesting analysis of this Bank Nifty daily time frame. So let me remove these lines. We have seen a good range here. The highs are near us very much same, and the lows are very much same. But in the last trading session, it has crossed these all lows and giving close below that. So that's a sign of concern, because we call it has broken the range. Okay, because it was in the range since 7 days in a row. Okay, Bank Nifty is an index which has so much volatility in a day, but since last 7 trading sessions we have seen a range, and that has been broken on Friday trading session. So we expecting a kind of good momentum in next week. Also, there is a time cycle also combined with this price action also. So one more thing, and let me show you some previous data of this range break. So here you can see this is the range. You can see 3 to 4 trading session. It has broken out with this bullish candle, and see the momentum. And if we want to calculate about this high, then it has almost given a 14% move, almost 2600 point. I will also show you some more range, which was we have seen here. Here it's a range, very small range. There is this high somewhere here, and this is the low. And we had seen the breakout here downside, the range broken, and we have seen a great fall. Okay, so let me also check the below this low. Almost it has given again 4 to 5%, or maybe it around 1200 point move on a downside. Again, this is a very narrow consolidation, and Bank Nifty has broken out here, given a sharp move downside, and this is a bounce back, the change in polarity, and see this is the move. So again, after this range broken out, we have seen again more than 500,000 point, 1500 point move on a downside. So I'm not explaining that it has given a move on downside or upside, not predicting the direction, but right now we are focusing on the this range breakout. So that's the main focus here to learn. And we have also seen here, you can see a very narrow range since last 3-4 trading sessions. It has been a range, and it has broken out on an upside, and we can see on this high it has given almost around 2500 point move. So same is the case in this area of this last few trading sessions, which we have seen the range has been broken out, expecting a very good move in Bank Nifty. So let's analyze the levels for the tomorrow's trading session, and let me remove this now, because we have seen the previously this is the support area which has broken with this big body black candle. Another important support area has been broken, and now it is again testing the same level of the previous support, which is now acting as a resistance. Possibility is the change in polarity, we call it. If this low somewhere here is low is broken out, we may face some kind of selling again in this Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is the main we have seen a good momentum on a downside. Okay. So let me mark the level first. So I'm going to mark the level of the today's trading session, last trading session high. Okay, on 18th of September was the last trading session. So 22,469 is the high, and this is the low. 21,784. So you can see the difference of this set. The Bank Nifty already given some kind of signals that it may trended in next week. So let's mark the level for the support and resistance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a retracement of this high to this high to find out the important area of support. And let me check a line here, and this is the area 21,584. So we are going to mark 21,550. Okay, so round number 25,550. 61% retracement comes around this level. So this is going to be an important area of support for Bank Nifty spot level. And again, this will be your the area of support, the resistance which was broken here, and will act as an important area of resistance. So 22,100 is a good area of resistance for Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trading session. So these are the levels you need to watch for the next trading session. Okay, and let me check the Nifty index. So Nifty also broken out this area of support, and which we have marked here exactly taken support at that level. Yeah. So let me mark the level of last trading session high of 18th September. 11,581 and 11,446. These are the two levels you can watch for the support and resistance, and I'm going to mark and take a retracement of the same last swing which was created in a panic. Okay, so here the 161% come between this swing area. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark this exact low somewhere 11,383. So let's mark 11,350 as a round number also. 11,350 is an area of support for Nifty index. Yes. So 11,350 is a good area of support for Nifty index. And let me mark the level for the resistance also. So we have seen 11,600. It has not been crossed in so many days by the Nifty index. So I'm going to mark the 11,000 above this level, 11,600, 620. 11,620 is an area of resistance for the Nifty index. So you can see these are the two levels you need to be careful for the next trading session. And we already discussed about the range concept, and the Bank Nifty already broken out of the range. And if I can check this daily chart of Nifty index, and along with some kind of confirmations. So here we can see, and let me remove these Bollingers. And here we have seen that this is not a good sign. The Bank Nifty resisted at 60 resistance here and forming a bearish candles, which is not a good sign. And the Bank Nifty also broken the range on a downside. So some kind of sharp momentum expected in next week. Maybe possibilities is higher for downside. So these are the levels, and this is the main analysis which you need to take care for the next trading session and for the next entire week. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, you can hit the like button. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then you can subscribe to my channel. Wait for my another video. Thank you so much.